Merging files is a common task, especially when dealing with data spread across multiple sources. Whether you're combining text files, CSVs, or other file formats, merging them into a single document can simplify data management and analysis. With the help of Python and ChatGPT, you can automate this process efficiently. In this script, we'll explore how to merge files using Python, guided by the interactive support of ChatGPT. File merging involves taking the content of multiple files and combining them into a single file. This is particularly useful when you have data divided into smaller files and need to consolidate them for easier access or processing. Python's file handling capabilities make it straightforward to merge files of various formats. Text files are one of the simplest file formats to merge. By reading the contents of each file and appending them to a new file, you can easily combine multiple text files into one. First, we need to create 3 text files for this example. Here I have created these 3 files, named File 1, File 2, and File 3. If you open File 1, you'll see there is a text named "This is the content of File 1, Line 2 of File 1." And then, similarly, File 2 has "This is the content of File 2, Line 2 of File 2." Similarly, File 3. And now you need to upload all these 3 files into Google Colab. You can add these from the sidebar, and once done, they'll be displayed right here. Now let's paste our code that we took from ChatGPT. Now all you have to do is to replace these file names with the file paths. Let's remove this and click on File 1, copy path, and then paste the path here. Similarly, we'll do for File 2 and File 3. Now you have to create another file called merged file. For this, I've created a file here called merged file. This is initially empty. Now let's upload this one on Google Colab too. And now we'll remove this name and replace it with the file path. We have added the path for the merged file here, and now we'll run it to see the output. So it has successfully been run. Now let's look at this merged file, which was initially empty. So you see, it has merged the contents of all these 3 files. Firstly, it says, "This is the content of File 1, Line 2 of File 1, and then this is the content of File 2, and then the content of File 3. So in this example, we have 3 text files, File 1, File 2, and File 3.txt. The script reads each file and writes its content to merge file.txt, adding a new line between the contents of each file. This approach ensures that all files are combined seamlessly. Now, let's talk about merging CSV files. CSV or comma-separated files are commonly used for storing tabular data. Merging CSV files involves combining the rows from each file into a single CSV, typically including headers only once. Let's look at an example. Here, we merge 3 CSV files, named as Data1, Data2, and Data3. Simply create 3 CSV files on your laptop and replace these file names with file paths, and then create a merged data CSV file, and do replace this file name with their path too. Here we are merging the 3 files, and this code ensures that the header row is written only once by checking if it's the file first. Then it writes all the rows from each file into mergedata.csv. Moving on to binary files. Merging binary files such as images or PDFs is different from merging text-based files. It involves reading and writing binary data to ensure that the files are combined without corruption. For this, you have to use this simple code. Just create 3 files and replace them with their path, and then another file, which is a merged file. In this example, binary files, file1.bin, file2.bin, and file3 are merged into a merge file.bin. The WB and RB modes ensure that the files are handled correctly as binary data. With ChatGPT, you can get real-time assistance as you merge files, especially when dealing with complex formats or specific requirements. ChatGPT can provide tailored guidance on the best approaches, suggest error handling, or even generate custom code snippets to merge your tasks. For this, just type on ChatGPT, how do I merge multiple JSON files into one using Python? And ChatGPT will provide you a code similar to this one. So in this example, ChatGPT helps you merge JSON files, ensuring that the data is correctly combined into a single JSON file. The interactive nature of ChatGPT allows for quick adjustments and learning as you work on merging your task. Simply create 3 JSON files and replace them with your file paths. And then you'll need a merge data file, and this code will automatically merge all those files into one. Merging files is an essential task in data management, and with Python and ChatGPT, the process becomes even more accessible and efficient. Whether you are dealing with simple text files or complex binary data, Python's file handling capabilities, combined with the interactive support of ChatGPT, provides a robust solution for all your merging needs. By leveraging these tools, you can streamline your workflows and manage your files with ease.